This is Dr. Sandhu, and today I want to speak to you about non-surgical facial rejuvenation. No matter what their age, patients want faster and longer lasting results without surgery, and most of all, they want to look natural. As you age, the visual signs of aging set in. These include age spots, loss of hair color, as well as skin laxity, wrinkles, descent of the face, and volume loss. What patients would like is a single treatment without surgery that will address all of these problems. In fact, with a combination of fillers, lasers, Botox, and Thermi, we can achieve natural looking results that are better than traditional facelifts. Looking younger is a three-step process. The first step is the use of lasers, peels, or toners to get rid of age spots. If you are fortunate and do not have any age spots, this step will not apply to you. Step 2 is the correction of wrinkles in the forehead, around the eyes, and around the mouth. These wrinkles can develop at quite an early age and should be corrected earlier rather than later. The final step towards a youthful face is tightening of the skin, especially in the neck and in the jawline, to give a nice youthful appearance. In this picture we can see the effects of a small amount of Restylane, a hyaluronic acid filler that can be used to smooth out the under eyes, the nasolabial creases, as well as adding a small amount of volume to the lips. All this can be done in one sitting with a small amount of injectables. Hyaluronic acids are a naturally occurring substance and have no allergic reaction possibility, and they come in different viscosities to achieve the results that we want. While there are many different hyaluronic acids such as Restylane, Juvederm, Voluma, Belotero, ultimately physicians choose the one that will give a balanced result for their patient. In this split face study, we can see how dramatic the result is by comparing the before and after in the same patient. This is immediate gratification because the results are immediately visible to the patient. Another patient demonstrates how a small amount of nasolabial correction with Restylane gives the patient a more rested, relaxed, more youthful appearance. Even a small amount of filler can make a dramatic difference, as seen in this patient. Of course, in older patients with deeper wrinkles, a greater volume of fillers will be required to achieve the desired results. While patients are often concerned about one specific area, in general it is better to address the entire face and all the signs of aging at the same time to give a more refreshed, younger appearance. Restylane and fillers are a much more attractive option for patients because they require no time out of work and do not have the associated downtime with traditional facial rejuvenation procedures such as facelift or neck lift. In this lady, the creases between the brows have been addressed with filler, which lasts longer than Botox, and it is cheaper than Botox as well. The areas around the eyes, as well as the nasolabial folds and the marionette lines around the lips, were also treated. Young patients will often come in with early signs of aging, highlighted here around the eyes, lips, and in the brow. While they are minimal, they are best addressed sooner rather than later, because inevitably, without treatment, the wrinkles will get deeper. Patients are the best judge of how much they would like to correct their wrinkles. As a general rule, I tend to undertreat the patients initially and see the patients back in 1 week because it is very easy to add more fillers. Hyaluronic acids can also be used to increase the volume of the lips. A small amount of Belotero, which is a newer, finer hyaluronic acid, was used in this patient to balance the upper and lower lips. This patient required almost 3 cc's of Restylane. I inject in a conservative manner initially and have the patients follow up in a week so we can put in the final layer of hyaluronic acid to achieve the final result that the patient wants. Men too can benefit from hyaluronic fillers, and here you can see the more rested look following the correction of bags under the eyes as well as the nasolabial folds. Men benefit from the judicious use of fillers to achieve a more relaxed, less stressed, and generally more pleasant and youthful look. Even young men can benefit from the use of hyaluronic acid fillers. In this patient, a less stressed, more relaxed look was achieved by correcting the deep lines in the forehead and between the eyebrows and minimizing the depth of the nasolabial folds. Age is not a limitation to the use of hyaluronic acid fillers, as can be seen in this older gentleman. Longer-lasting fillers such as Radiesse or Voluma can also be used to augment the cheeks and provide a more defined bone structure. It's best to do this in stages so as not to overcorrect, but you can see the increase in the light reflex overlying the cheekbones after 2 treatments, giving a sharp, more defined look to the face. What patients like best about fillers is that without having the before and after pictures to compare, no one can tell that anything was done. Patients simply look more refreshed, younger, and more relaxed. Along with the benefits of not having to have surgery or anesthesia, hyaluronic acids have become the choice of all patients today who are seeking facial rejuvenation.